but today let's try to do something. I'll go to my phone on my Wi-Fi. Then I want to connect to Kamba, this one. I want to connect to this one. I'll click on it, then put password. One. So let it connect and make sure that it has come up here. So I think it is already there. Let's wait for that error thing to get away so that we can continue. Okay, now it is showing connected. So from here we shall go to our Chrome, this one, then go here. I'll just type 192.168.100.1, then I go to next. So this is the interface. You have seen that I've used the IP address instead of the domain name that we had on that TP link. So here I'll put root, small letters. Here I put admin. Then when I go to login, this is how it looks like. So instead of using the command line interface in the Cisco packet tracer or the Cisco routers, these ones that we call the hybrid routers, all the access points, all the I don't know, MiFi, Wi-Fi, whatever name you call it, this is the interface they have. So here they have what we call status, they have WAN, they have LAN, they have IP version 6, they have WLAN, then security, forward rules, application, and the system, whatever. So first of all, let's go to status. Status, it is this that they usually have, the DHCP optical device info. That's what we usually get here. But the best thing that we are supposed to look at, maybe even the one, because one, it is one means a wide area network, and it's all about the people that actually give us this network to this router. And we shall see that under one we have one configurations, and we have the connection name, which is to internet, RD, vid, whatever. Then the VLAN, it is 220/0, then IP version 4. That means this is what the Savannah guys give us, the one. We are on this one. Then the LAN, remember I showed you the other time, I showed you what we call the three LANs that were on that router. Remember the other time on the video I sent you. So we shall see that on LAN they are going to be we are going to be looking at on the Ethernet cables that come from this wireless router. So one of which, the primary is its IP address is that. Then another one, its IP address is this, which is 192.168.100.1, then 192.168.2.0. So actually this is how we go to the router in Cisco packet tracer. Then we go to we assign what we call the encapsulation IP address. So here we do it manually, manually, but in the using the graphical user interface. So you put the IP address, then you put apply, and that's how it works. But the major thing here, it is the WLAN, the one which is wireless LAN. So the wireless LAN, we have the wireless LAN basic configurations, which are these. So the SSID name, it is the name of the wireless. Remember, it's the one that we are connected on here. So it gets the name from here, the SSID name. You can come here, then you just type it. You remove this one, just type whatever thing you feel like. I'll call it dash. Really? No. Let me call it Kamba. Just like that. Then we come, the characters are supposed to be from 1 to 32. Then enable SSID, yes. Enable number of associated devices 15. You can increase the number of associated devices. It's like the maximum number you want people to, the maximum number of devices you'd want to be connected on this router. So another thing, the SSID, the broadcast SSID, yes, enable WMM. We shall look about that. Authentication mode, we have the WPA2. Let me just click on it here, there. So you can leave it on open, shared, WPS key. We are going to look at this and see what they mean. The WPA enterprise, WPA2 enterprise, WA auto, the automatic WPA and WPA2 enterprise. So we shall use the shared key of WPA2, pre-shared, and we shall also learn about that. So we have the encryption. Still, we have AES, TKIP, then TKIP and AES, the auto mode. So we shall also look about that, the encryption mode. By the way, the encryption mode, we need to look also about that. Remind me, because encryption in form of should I say sending data in codes in form of networking, but still in the other core. We shall talk about that in core. So I don't know if I remember it, because we shall shall imitate sending data in a way that is encrypted and decrypted practically, and see how it works. Then actually the password goes here where there is WPA pre-shared key. Then you put the password here. You can hide it or whatever. So I think that's it. Then all whatever you do, you come here where there is apply. But remember, I wouldn't want to change the password, the name that it was, Kamba. So whatever, if you do everything, you just come here to apply, then you apply and change. Remember, in our Cisco Packet Tracer, we use what we call the write memory in the user mode. Is it user privileged mode? Yes, privileged mode. You put write memory and you press enter. So we shall see that the Wi-Fi has changed. I don't know what has changed, but when we try to go there, we shall find that it is here and it is requesting for the password. I don't know whether we changed it too. So let me see. I think we have changed the password, and might not be remembering what we did. Okay. Anyway, I think that's it.